Hello everyone, my name is Sestin Dias. I am a lecturer at IMS and today we have an ex-student with us. So we will have some few words with him. We will know his story about his sailing life. So can you tell us what your name, the introduction can give us?
Hello everyone, my name is Vishwavijay Nanaseb Wagmare. I am from Maharashtra and I did my mechanical engineering from Sinhagad Institute of Technology, Lonavala, and I did my GME from IMS Goa itself. So it was a quite nice place to learn, explore, and the training is very good. There is no issue about training. We get to visit the ships. You will get the theoretical knowledge for 6 months, and 6 months as an afloat. In afloat, 3 months is the workshop training, and 3 months you will get to see the ships. Where NPT port is here, Mormugao Pattam port. There you will get to visit a lot of ships, new ships, old ships, tankers, bulk carriers, containers. Whatever the ships here are coming to sail, you will get the chance to see. There is no problem for visiting the ships.
And you sailed in which ship?
Actually, I am from Vihar Maritime. It is from Mumbai, and I sailed 9 months in LPG gas carrier. It was VLGC. It was quite nice experience to sail.
Very nice, sailing a gas carrier, obviously. It's very nice. And how was your experience like, as a junior engineer? What kind of jobs they do?
As a junior engineer, I was the only one Indian as a 5th engineer. All the above 4th engineer were Chinese.
Oh.
So if you are sailing with Chinese, you will get little bit communication problem. But if you are managed to arrange that, then it will be okay. So there is no problem. But need to focus on your own safety. It's your primary thing to do. Whatever they will say, you just focus on your training, what they have told you, and just follow it. There is nothing to do with that. Just focus, and safety is important, very, very. Give the first priority to safety. If you are alive, then you can go on sail. If anything happen, like accident or finish, then there is no more career in merchant navy. So your body is very important for this field, as per me.
Yeah, very important, very nice point you have raised. Very important that you take care of your own safety. It is not just about your own safety. Sometimes if you feel someone else is also doing something wrong, you have to stop him so that, many times everyone can make mistake. It is not like only, wrong people will make mistake. But we also can make mistake, and we should know to stop others. And nowadays in companies we have something called stop card and all.
Yes.
So, we can always stop someone from doing something wrong. It can save your life and others' life also. So how many months you sailed? 9 months I think.
I sailed 9 months. Actually, my contract was 6 months, but because of Corona, there is no sign off. So company extended 3 months more. So I signed off after 9 months.
One more point which he said, about communication gap. Many times you have that. So it doesn't matter how many times you have to ask. If you are not sure, always make sure you inquire about it. Ask again and again. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, that's the very important point. If you don't know anything, you don't act like that you get it just because of feeling you are a senior engineer good that he is getting everything. Don't do that. If you are not clear, ask again, 2, 3 more, 2, 4 times, no problem. He will tell you, or they will tell you what to do, what not to do. But in case you are saying yes, but you didn't get inside, you will do something wrong, and it will immediately hammer on you. There is again they will point you. I ask you, you said yes, you will again another trouble. So it's good to ask again and again if you are not getting anything.
So coming back to IMS, how you feel? Have you refreshed your memories?
Yeah, I
remember some good days.
IMS actually after 2 years we are here for ERS course. So it was good to meet everyone. You should get same feeling when you will come here as what we are getting.
So do come, and he's going to answer his class 4 exam. So best of luck for you.
Thank you, sir.
And happy sailing and safe journey.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.